Hi!
Hello everybody and welcome to the So Over It Pajama Party. I wish we were this comfy every day.
I know.
It's been a little bit weird.
It is weird.
It's a little bit weird.
None
None of us got dressed. We just walked into the office like this.
Did you say? No, it's weird.
So we thought it was about time for some more team makes and also a bit of a love affair to pyjamas.
Yay!
We don't talk about pyjamas.
We don't.
No,
I
not
think
enough.
it's different. It's like a different vibe, I guess.
Yeah.
So it's not the same as like getting excited about a dress, but it's still very exciting.
And also taking pictures of it.
Yeah, it's one of the hardest things.
Yeah.
But I think sewing pyjamas is one of the, like, if you're considering like sewing as self-care things, sewing pyjamas is the biggest
It is
love
so
language
for
for yourself.
You wear pyjamas more than anything.
More than anything,
Yeah.
that's so true.
You wear them more often.
Yeah.
I know
Yes,
I do
absolutely.
anyway. I
Yeah,
don't
we
have
watch
as many-
pajamas as well.
Yeah. I don't have as many pyjamas as I have dresses.
No,
No,
and yet
like
you wear
pairs.
them in such high rotation.
Yeah, and it feels, I think when you're sewing them, it just feels like I'm doing this for me, no one else.
Yeah, exactly.
People might never see these, and it's just like so
It's
selfish and
lovely.
Unless you're coming in to film them.
Yeah.
Or you
Into a big office building.
So,
I agree, that's very true. And taking time to sew your own pyjamas is a very
It's a
nice
little treat.
exercise.
and I bought this fabric specifically for some pyjamas.
Oh, did you?
So you
it's
saw
got-
the fabric first and then you're inspired to make pyjamas. Sometimes it goes that way. doesn't it?
Yes, it was. I'm usually a pattern first girl,
Yeah.
but this was instant
I
fabric.
mean, how
So
amazing.
cute.
So cute. It's got the cats on. I love cats. It's
Yeah.
kind of like nighttime vibes.
This is like the nighttime version of your Sorrento jacket with the cats.
Oh my god, it is.
Yeah, day to night.
They too like cats.
Non-stop.
And the buttons.
I know.
And then
Talk
buttons
about
with
the
the stars that match the little stars. That the cat is
Beautiful.
catching. So yeah, I
Delightful.
wanted to make some pyjamas, and I'll talk more about what I've made in a bit. But then it kind of sparked conversations in the office about pyjama making, and it turned out we all actually had some ideas in our heads
Yes.
of pyjamas or
Nightwear.
wear.
Yeah.
We thought, you know what? Why not?
Yeah.
Let's sew some pyjamas, have a sew
Yeah.
over it pajama party.
Yes.
So shall I
Yeah,
carry on?
Carry on. Yeah.
So I've made the Libby blouse.
So not a pyjama pattern.
Not a pajama pattern.
I
Very
it worked
pajama
really well.
esque.
Yes.
It's got like the lapel collar with the notch in here. It's which is quite a classic pajama shirt
Very
style. I added a tiny bit of length just because Libby's cropped and I really like the original length of Libby, but for pajamas I only added maybe an inch, so it would only be about sort of here. But I thought for pajamas you want pure comfort.
It makes sense.
Yeah. Oversized.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the top, and then the bottoms I did a bit more
These are
work
fun.
on.
These are so fun and unexpected.
So from the front they might look kind of like normal pajama shorts.
Yeah.
But then from the side they're like little sort of petal sides to them, and they're just joined at the top on the side, but I won't open them too far, but they're really funny. So I always feel like if you're wiggling around in the night,
Yeah.
when I'm sleeping, these will be so nice and airy.
That's true.
Not constricting. So I made
So what
these
pattern
from...
is it?
So they're basically the same trousers as yours, aren't they?
Look, you never know.
So
Luna
the Luna
Pyjamas.
Pyjamas. The trousers in the Luna Pyjamas, they have a one-piece trouser,
Very
one-piece
interesting.
leg.
Yes. No.
So you mean there's not a
seam.
side seam?
Not a
right.
side
It
seam.
goes round.
So what I've got here is a front that goes further than the side seam round to the back, and the same on the back. The back comes round to the front. So I'll get my weird pattern pieces.
Yes, go up to the camera so they can see.
See, so-
I love the shape, is so odd.
If I hold these up, so if you look at the Luna pattern piece, if you imagine this carried on into a full leg, so we've got the back, the front, this would carry on down here into a full leg. So I printed off 2 of those, and then I just kind of eyeballed and drew this. Oh no, I measured my inseam to get the length of how long I wanted the inseam.
That's a good idea.
And
Yeah, because you've got no side seams to measure.
yeah, and then I held it up against myself to gauge where the side seam would be, and popped a little notch there,
Clever.
and then just drew the shape. So I've got one for whatever that is, the back, one for the front,
So
and then if you just match up the notch at the top that I put in.
So the side seam
for my
notch.
exactly the one that I've drew in, and machine base those together at the top. Then you can kind of carry on sewing them up as you would do the Lunas.
Amazing.
And how did you finish the edge? Is it just a narrow?
It's just overlocked because it's quite a tight curve.
Yeah, that's what
I didn't think it would turn any more than once.
Well. Yes.
So it's just overlocked and turned under.
Really nice.
I love them.
Really pleased, elasticated waist, super
Yeah.
comfy.
So nice for this like warm weather that we're having. It's lovely through summer.
Exactly.
You feeling the warm
I'm
weather
feeling
right now?
Your layers on there.
No, but I love it, and I think yes, the Libby shirt is a great daytime pattern, of course, and we've seen so many versions. But I have seen it paired with our ultimate pajamas, for example, which is what Chloe's wearing.
Yes.
We'll get to that. But to make that kind of classic pajama.
Yeah, it's
proper
that colour,
pajamas,
isn't it? It's the notched collar.
It's great, and also the loose fit, so there's no darts in Libby, am I right?
No.
No,
No
just
darts.
checking.
So it's like you don't want too much fitting.
No,
with
yeah,
pajamas,
no,
do you?
it's really
so it
nice.
works so well. I
So
love it.
pleased. Yeah, and
So
I've actually
beautiful.
never had viscose pajamas before.
No,
not sure.
that must feel quite nice to sleep in. Yeah, like fresh.
I know, well, they haven't been allowed to because we were going to film this video.
Yeah.
So tonight, I'll report back tomorrow. How well I've
Dear
slept.
diarist, slept so well. I love them. Absolutely
Thank
love
you.
them.
I'm very pleased.
Now, moving on to, this is one of our full pajama patterns.
Yeah.
So we have the Imogen pajamas, which are jersey, which are a full set, and we have the Luna pajamas, which are a full set, and we also have the pomegranate pajamas, which are for children, and they're so cute,
Really
and they are proper like a collar, different
that's
shapes, but
classic.
like a classic button up, and then trousers. So those are our three kind of full sets of pajamas. But I had my eye on Luna for a little bit because I thought, oh, I'd like to have a proper. I've got a couple of pajamas that I've made using our patterns, but they're all stretchy, and I thought I'd like some proper ones to feel like dressed up in them. And we were saying, like, if you go away with friends, for example, which I do, for example, around Christmas, I always go away for a weekend with friends.
Nice
You kind of want nice pajamas to, like, you know, you're going to be lounging in the evening. This is what you want to wear.
When people know you make your own clothes,
Yes.
the expectations are high.
Very high, let me tell you. So these are perfect for that. And my favourite thing is how easy this pattern was to put together. Oh my goodness, because they don't look easy.
They look
Like,
fancy.
they look fancy.
It's like there's lots going on. They are so easy. I would really recommend them to beginners because there are no tricky moments, if that makes sense. And I made them in a cotton poplin. I think a cotton lawn as well would work very well. A viscose would work beautifully, but I think the combination of like a sturdy cotton and this pattern, it was the
yes,
easiest
so
thing I've
easy.
sewn in
You
years.
needed that little palette cleanser.
I really did, honestly, and it's just, I'm so happy with them. Now, I went for this fabric, which is like, I don't know, a galaxy far, far away, and I suddenly got, with this wrap top, I suddenly got Jedi vibes, and I'm extremely happy with
Yeah,
that.
I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Absolutely a good thing. I don't know what it is, but it really made me laugh. Once I finished it, I was like, look, I am your pajamas.
And have you snuck any pockets into this?
What do you reckon?
Have you, actually?
I have.
I didn't even
I did.
It seems.
So no, there's no.
That's what I meant. Yeah.
I know. So the Luna pajamas, as we said, there's no side seams. So I
It's
just
patch
did
pockets.
patch pockets, and it's just enough for my phone.
Just one.
And no, I've
Oh,
got
two.
two. I've got two for symmetry. You barely see them because the
When
fabric
I
is
asked
so
that question,
busy.
I thought you were going to be like,
No, I couldn't.
I want a shirt.
Oh, I need pockets and pajamas. for
Amazing.
Sure. So yeah, because I didn't know how to put them in without the side seam, I was just like, patch pockets,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
I think I measured where, so for the top, for the waistband of the Luna pajamas, you just turn under the top of the pattern basically, it's very easy. And I just checked how much the top was going to be turned under by and decided how much lower I wanted the
Yeah,
pocket
where
to
you
start
want it.
basically, because you don't want to put them quite
Too
high
high.
and then suddenly you're turning the hem and your pocket is trapped. That would be
Sure.
disastrous. But yeah, absolutely love them. Let me just show you. I've got a top underneath, don't worry. But I just thought it's nice to see. So you've got a little sort of keyhole opening in the side seam here
Nice and
to
secure.
keep it very nice and secure. And then you just do this, but it's not even a buttonhole. Like sometimes you get that with a buttonhole, don't you? But in this pattern, it's literally you just don't sew for a tiny bit, and then secure the edges. And I love that. Better, yes, so easy. And then you just wrap it, and you can do it very loose, or you can do it quite tight, which I like, and do a bow or just do a tie. But they are beautiful, honestly.
They are
really nice.
And cotton is so lovely to wear.
So nice to wear. And then the waist is elasticated. This is a wrap top, so I'm thinking, if you're nice and you like making things for others, this would be a stunning gift.
Yeah.
Definitely. So yeah, put Luna on your list because I can absolutely recommend it. And Luna comes in sizes 6 to 13. So she great. Absolutely love making it. And yeah, I guess we are on a similar level with
with the
wrapping.
wrap, that's true. So I've made the Sylvia Robe as a dressing gown. The Sylvia Robe is not a dressing gown, but I've seen a few people turn it into one before because it lends itself well to it. So all I've done is make the longer length. There's 2 lengths, you get a shorter and a longer one, and then just added like a waist tie and some belt loops there to keep it on, and some little patch pockets, and that's it. And it's so cozy.
Changes it completely.
Yeah, and it feels like just light but fancy.
Lovely.
I've never made.
Really nice.
Thank you. I've never made pajamas before. I know.
So nice.
So
And what's the fabric that you
I'm not
use?
sure.
But it's like
It's
Sylvia, you're usually making like a viscose, a crepe,
very
a
light,
cotton
very
lawn
floaty.
maybe. So I think that's what's
It's-
changed the look of it so much.
Yeah, it looks dressing gowny, doesn't it? It's
Yeah.
really soft. I bought it from Higgs and Higgs at a show. I just thought it was lovely. Maybe
So you
it's even
could
a
make
suiting
trousers,
fabric. I think
yeah.
I bought it with trousers in
Well,
mind.
you would make nice trousers actually.
Very.
wouldn't
Smart,
you?
right?
So soft.
But it's soft, and I just thought, oh, and it doesn't crease, so I thought that's good
Nice.
quality. Really just because I don't want to be ironing dressing
No.
gowns. But it's not. I really don't want a heavy dressing gown. I want something light as it's getting warmer.
It's amazing.
Thanks.
I love it.
I love
And
it
the pockets are just patch pockets?
Yeah, I just put it literally right. The last thing I did is like, where do I want my hands
Where do I
to
want
sit?
them?
Yeah. So I could have done them before because I actually could have trapped them with hindsight into the side seam. That would be a little bit securer.
Oh,
But-
I see, yeah.
I didn't know where I would. So.
I love it. Absolutely love it.
Thanks.
It's so nice.
I've got classic pajamas. So these are the ultimate pajama bottoms. So elastic, and I left the elastic, not elastic. That'd be a bit worrying. You can put the ribbon in as well, but I've left that off because whenever I put my pajama bottoms that have ribbon in the wash, they always get really tangled up.
Yeah.
So I've just left them off. And yeah, it's in a nice cotton poplin. In a bright fabric, and then this is the Bilberry t-shirt pattern.
Oh,
So,
yeah. So not the ultimate
Not the
t-shirt.
ultimate. So the ultimate t-shirt, it's got the really nice sort of fitted in waist,
sides.
which is lovely for like
Daytime.
tucking it into your clothes and things. But for nighttime, I prefer a bit more space, a bit more room in my t-shirts. So I've gone for the Bilberry.
I
It's
love
really
that.
lovely. But I mean, I'd wear this as well, like. With
Yes,
clothes as
yeah.
well.
Like you might not take it off now.
Yeah, I just leave it on for the day. Yeah, because I said I was going to wear it in today because I knew we were wearing our pajamas, but then I thought I'd spill something down it.
That is always the
Yeah.
fear of things that we make for videos that we bring you.
Yes.
Is that of don't touch it until we filmed it, just in case. Just in case.
Yeah. As soon as we were told, like, oh, we're going to do a filming with that, you're like, oh, I can't wear it
Can't
now. That's going to stay in the wardrobe. But yeah, I'm free now. I can wear this t-shirt.
I love them.
Yeah.
And what fabric is the bottoms in?
This is a cotton poplin from Semi Sunshine that I got
It's
like.
really light and
Yes,
nice.
really light.
Yeah.
And got it in the sale. Quite like
So
a
lovely.
jazzy pajama
Nice,
bottom.
Yeah, and you can have so much, even if you're, like actually, we wear quite a lot of jazzy fabrics in the office.
too.
But if you're not a jazzy person, jazzy
Yeah.
fabric person,
Yeah.
with
It's
pajamas,
the opportunity.
Yeah.
That is a very good point.
Yeah.
And I think, in cottons and viscose, like fun
You can have
prints,
such
you can
good
get
fun
such
stuff.
good prints. And I guess for the Sylvia, you could do like a super flowery Sylvia Robe.
I think you could do Sylvia.
Robe.
You could do it like really fancy silk, or you could do like a cozy waffle, or you could do like
Oh, yeah.
patterns. Or you could do like a
Ooh,
Sherpa
very-
teddy.
yes.
Like,
Ooh,
yeah.
yeah. You can have quite thick ones, can't you?
I think you could literally take it any direction.
That's very true. So yeah, apart from the Imogen pyjamas, which are like the other official pyjamas, I think we've represented
some
different sides. Some non-pyjamas that could be
Yeah.
pyjamas, some non-pyjamas that could be pyjamas. And the ultimate pyjamas could go with, yes, the ultimate t-shirt, the Bilberry t-shirt.
Yeah.
Or maybe a Libby
Libby
shirt
shirt.
to make it all woven. But yeah, there's lots of possibilities. We have seen in the past customers kind of using different patterns to create pyjamas, so we'd love to see yours. Do share them. If you're on Instagram, use the hashtag #SOIPJParty. We'd love to see what you've made in the past, what you're making right now. Who knows? But we hope we've inspired you a little bit with our pyjamas. Also, it's like an all year round thing, pyjamas, isn't it?
Always going to wear them.
Yeah, always going to wear them. And as you said, a lot of self-care.
Yes, indulge in yourself. Love it.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we're also going to have some kits, right? Yeah. And so go and have a look at that. We'll put all the details below. I think that is it.
I think so, yeah.
We're just going to stop working and go to sleep now. We're ready.
What time is it?
Not late enough, sadly. But maybe a nap, afternoon nap.
Afternoon nap. We can schedule that.
So cozy. And we'll see you again very, very soon. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.